Alright guys, back here with the truck scratch. I've been cleaning it up, trying to get it detailed nicely. I want to try something because I have a group set that I'd like to use on this bike, but I have to check and see if the set fits first. So that's what I'm going to do right now, in a moment of truth, and we shall see if this works. If it does, I will be using a Box 2 11-speed group set on this bike. She's loose. Alright, there goes the Advent cassette. 9-speed. Let's give it a whirl. Let's see how this goes. Alright. I think it's gonna work, guys. Which is really exciting because I've never owned a bike with this many, or this high of a gear range, I guess I should say. I have ridden a bike with a gear range this high, but I have not owned one.
Sweet, so like, no, I think that's it. Oh my god, look at that. Like a glove.
There we go. Shoot. Alright. Yeah, business. Pretty good. Dope. Alright, it's on there. So that's settled. We're going with the box group set on this bad boy. And with that, I will probably go ahead and just let the recordings play out as I build the bike and just let you watch and not have too much commentary. Alright, thanks.
Moving for motion, they drunk of their problems, they always on road and they start. Moving for motion, they drunk of their problems, they know this cause she is the same. She's trying to stop playing games. Pull out what they really want to know. Who's your lovers and who are your bros? Who are the enemies you look close? Who are the people that you should've known? Got some more. Judging me, judging me. Judging me, judging me. Still screaming out of that chain gang. Still screaming out of that chain gang. Cold, these brothers my guys. Know that they fly, know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. CJ never got a roll with ice. No rush, go on, move down. Back and forth, push and shove. Make your peace and love into peace and gloves. Now you got a deal run up. Now I'm moving, now I'm moving. I gotta do what I do. I really hear my words now instead of 4-3s or those we're doing in the bitch. What? Where my dog? Never knew you like that. Never knew you like that. backstage. No head killing when we back, 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 get girls right in the galaxy. Drunk at the problems, the viewers on road and they suck. She knows cause she is the same. She's trying to stop playing games. Roll back up on mine, no words, just wear black. Pull out and pull in, get up and don't lie. Move with emotion, they drunk at the problems, the viewers on road and they suck. She knows cause she is the same. She's trying to stop playing games. Oh yeah, feeling really backstage. Oh yeah, feeling really backstage. Still screaming out of that chain gang. Move with emotion, they drunk at their problems. They viewers on road and they start. Move with emotion, they drunk at their problems. They know this cause she is the same. She's trying to stop playing games. Pull out what they really want to know. Who's your lovers and who are your bros? Who are the enemies you keep close? Who are the people that you shouldn't know? Got some more. Judging me, judging me. Judging me, judging me. Oh yeah, feeling when we backstage. Oh yeah, feeling when we back, 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 Lots of orders in the session.
Sometimes a quick Google can just help you figure out, you know, looking at like cable routing, or this in this instance brake line routing. Looks like they routed it through the shock pivot on the bottom and then up the frame. And because I took the cable brakes off of here, now I have to mess with that. So it's just different than, and also taking pictures of stuff before you take it apart is super amazingly helpful. So you can refer back to, okay, how was it before I took it apart? You know, as you go, taking pictures of how things come apart assembly wise. It can be really, really helpful to be able to look back on. So I've learned that over time, dealing with motorcycles and things like that. Just, yeah, to have pictures can be immensely helpful. I'm whipping up on Alright guys, I'm here at Antelope Island. I'm on the White Rock Loop with the Trek Scratch 9 coil, and I've been wanting to do the build bike check on this, and I have not found a good time or good lighting. My garage isn't very well lit, so I think I'm just going to do it here and with the bike all muddy. So starting with the cockpit, Deity bars and stem, those came with the bike. I've got the Ergon GA2 grips and these SRAM DB8 4-pot brakes, and these things work like a dream. It's the Fox Vanilla 36 fork and Alex rims with Nukeproof hubs. And I got them brakes down there. I think this is a 203 in the front. So, that guy. Not sure how bad the wind is going to be out here. So, a little close up on the bars and stem. There's the FSA top cap I got. I'm probably going to order a custom top cap for this, but that's what I have for now. Didn't change the headsets, an FSA sealed bearing headset. I did add the rock guard on the bottom of the frame. I was able to get that from Trek. It is nice and muddy now. Got one up pedals. These are the composite pedals. And Truvativ Fire X Isis Drive cranks with a race face chainring, 32 tooth. And it's been doing really good. Got a back here box. This is box 2. Box 2 11 speed. Usually they're known for their Prime 9, but this is an 11 speed. Got this off eBay for a really decent price with 2 cassettes. Alex rim with Nukeproof hub in the back as well. And then I forgot the Fox DHX 4.0 shock in there that came with the bike. So I don't know if it's stock, but it's what was on here when I got it. This wolf tooth, so the other seat post clamp I bought was too small. So, and then Exa Form dropper. That's the bike check. Forgot to mention the Ergon SM Pro saddle, blue that matches the grips, keeping that steez in check. She's running really nice today. I love this bike. I do wish I had bigger wheels so the climbs weren't as bad, but other than that, she's done great. So, time to throw it down this hill here. Catch you guys later.